Alright, so I've been working on trying to find a strategy. I've been struggling for a while now. It's kind of gonna be a mix of MMXM and like some other things that I learned taken from other places because I tried taking strategies from other people and it just didn't work. So I took a little bit from everybody, and just kind of made my own little thing. And I got a lot of confidence in it and just the execution of it makes sense to me. So I'm gonna just show y'all what it looked like. So the first thing I like to do is I like to start on a daily. I like to start on a daily chart and look at the candle that is printing for the day that you're going to be trading. So the day you're going to be trading, look at that candle and based off previous data, just look and make an easy, simple choice. Well, I don't want to say easy, but it is simple because I know this shit ain't easy. Is it more likely to go up or is it more likely to go down? That's all you need to figure out. And if that bitch, if you can't tell, you don't trade. If it's going sideways or if it's like for some reason you can't tell where it's gonna go, just don't trade. Save your money. But if it's gonna go up, all right. If it's gonna go down, okay. Next, you're gonna go to the 1 hour and 15 or 15-minute chart. 1 hour or 15, whatever looks cleanest. After you get to the 1 hour 15-minute chart, you want to mark out either a swing low or swing low if you're bullish and you want price to go higher, or a swing high if you're bearish and you want price to go lower. So swing points and fair value gaps. So in this case, I was expecting the daily to go up and the 15-minute had a swing low right here. And at that swing low, it was a sweep. Price also was, it says slightly below VWAP, and in the case of buying, I would want it to be above VWAP. I would want it to be above because that's telling me that price is more bullish and it's more buyers and the buyers are more in control. So I would want price to be above VWAP. In this case, it was slightly below, but structure is more important than VWAP. So it's just a confluence. It's not the end all be all. If it's below it, I'm never gonna buy. So we had the sweep, and after we had the sweep, I went down to the 5-minute chart. And then on the 5-minute chart, what we had is we had a close above this black down close candle right here that came down here and swept this low. We had a aggressive close above it showing displacement, showing that somebody was just stopped out and then the smart money got in and then they took price up higher. And I was assuming they were going to take it to these highs since the market wants to seek liquidity and rebalance the market offering fair value. I was like, oh, well, it's most likely to go to these highs. So we swept liquidity, closed above with the fair value gap showing displacement, came back, touched the order block, and then we went straight to my target. And that's just the A plus, everything I'm looking for. This is the perfect trade. Only thing that could have been a little bit better is being more above VWAP if VWAP wasn't like cutting through price and it was like lower, showing that it was like more buying or the buyers were stronger in the market than, or it was like more buying volume in the market, then I would have been even more confident, but it was fine. This is a good trade. And that's really it. That's really it. Sometimes I'll enter on a 1-minute chart. Um, it just depends. That's a little bit discretionary for me. Safer to probably just enter on a 5-minute, but sometimes I'll enter on a 1-minute chart if the 5-minute is kind of sloppy and it's not clear. Sometimes I'll go down to the 1-minute and I'll get more information and it'll become a little bit more clear for me. And I'll sit, most of the time I just target 1 to 1.5 R, or the next liquidity. So in this case, these highs just look like so easy, like so clear and obvious that price wanted to go here. So I just put my target here, and I think it was around a 1 to 1.5 also. And that's about it. So yeah, that's my strategy.